Today on Make It Take It Outdoors, we're going to make a swing-tail jig with just a few pieces, no mold needed. All right, to start, we're going to make a quick loop. This will be the where you tie your line on. Now I'm using a lot longer piece of wire than you would think because this is thicker wire. I think it's 035. You need to have a little bit of longer tag ends so you can make your loops. So we just start off like all closed loops. And there. And again, as always, watch yourself. All right, so the closed loop will be the front of the lure. And the back loop where we're going to put the hook on, we just have to make sure that it is pretty much on the same plane as the front loop. So we're there. And you use the wire for a reference. Don't use the bait because the bait is, like I said, it turns right now. So just line it up. And this is why I use the extra length of wire, because with this in the way, it makes it a little bit harder to finish that loop. We're going to put an extra wide gap hook on here. So turn it upside down. Feed it up and around. There we go. We're almost done. Let's take that tag end off there. And simple as it is, there you have it. Now, to rig these, I watched some videos this weekend because I've never used one of these. All right, so we got a Berkley Havoc creature bait. We're gonna poke it right through the middle, just about that deep. Bring it back out. This is just like when you Texas rig a worm. Now we go here. Figure out where that hook is going to come through to keep it nice and straight, which is right there. Whoops. And there you have it. And from what I understand, you just throw it out and let it contact the bottom and you drag it along. Looks like a crawdad. It's similar to Texas rigging, really. The reason they go with a football head on the actual jigs, and I went with this egg sinker, is it's a little bit wider and kind of kicks back and forth when it bounces across the rocks. So hopefully this will work. So there you have it, the swing-tail jig. If you like videos like this and like making lures, do me a favor. Please hit subscribe. Make some comments. Let me know exactly what you think about everything. And in the meantime, tight lines. Today on Make a Ticket Fishing, how to make a